Input devices 1. Video digitizer. It takes pictures from real-life scenes to change it into computer form. Takes videos or frames from frame-grabbing file. We can fetch snapped images to the paper and it captures real images that are much apt than drawings. Video digitizer requires large capacity memory and fast computer to manage with large amount of data involved, which is a disadvantage. Digital camera captures photographs in digital memory and unlike ordinary cameras, digital cameras does not use celluloid films. Digital pictures comprises of very small dots known as pixels and its resolution measured in dots per inch (dpi). Advantages: some digital cameras can crop, stitch, edit, enlarge, enhance and delete pictures. Also, there is no development cost involved. Disadvantages: in case of full memory in digital camera, it needs to be connected by computer to transfer the images so that it can be reused again. This process is not as simple as changing ordinary camera's film. Scanning devices. Scanner is a computer machine which is used to convert printed images, drawings or documents into digital file on a computer. There are 3 types of scanners: flatbed, handheld and drum scanner. Advantages of scanner is it can convert image from paper to digital format, can be enhanced or edited and used as any format in computer. On the other side, huge amount of memory space is used by images, but it can be reduced by decreasing data file size.